The Wynn Vale Dam is an old irrigation dam in the north-eastern Adelaide suburb of the same name. A haven for aquatic birds, it is a very pleasant spot to visit or to fish. The council has unfortunately seen fit to recently poison the graceful old willow trees as part of a program to remove non-native plants. It remains to be seen what will happen to the now dead trees. The eel-tailed catfish is found mainly in the Murray-Darling system and lives to about 8 years, growing to a maximum size of about 90 centimetres and a weight of 6 kilos. The fish in Wynn Vale Dam seem to range from juveniles to fish of about 1 kilo. Fishing alongside snags and structure of any sort seems to bring the best results. The best setup seems to be a small sinker for casting weight with 2 hooks fixed above. Tiger worms and corn are both productive baits. Catfish generally bite solidly and fight very hard for a fish of their size. I make a habit of always returning native fish to the water. I think that these smaller models are a clear indication that they are in fact breeding in the dam. Casting out alongside this snag produced a lot of fish for me over the summer, and there is no doubt that summer is the more productive time of year. Why you should never release your aquarium fish. This one didn't go back. One of the main summer problems at Wynn Vale is blue-green algae. The lake was closed for all water activities for some weeks. Surprisingly, all these fish in the last segment were caught on bread while I was fishing for carp. You need to be very careful how you handle catfish. They have 3 very nasty spines to look out for. Wynn Vale Dam provides a unique fishing opportunity in the northern suburbs of Adelaide in what is largely a state bereft of freshwater fishing options. It would be great if the Tea Tree Gully Council would undertake further native fish stockings at this dam. It would also be good to see a carp eradication program, incentives to remove them, and carp disposal facilities.